Tired of losing track of your time and feeling like your day just slips away? Well, get ready to take control because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to master the Clockify time tracker app right on your iPhone. First, make sure you have Clockify downloaded from the App Store, then open it up. This is your main timer screen, where the magic happens. To start tracking time on a new task, tap in the description box and type what you're working on. Next, tap the blue play button to start the timer. See that timer ticking? Clockify is now accurately tracking your time. Once you finish the task, tap the pause button. Now, let's say you forgot to start the timer or need to log time for something you did earlier. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. This brings you to the manual time entry screen. Here, you can enter the start and end times. You can also select a project from the drop-down menu, which will help with organizing your hours. Once you are done, tap save. Now, let's check out reports. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner to see the sidebar. Then, tap on reports. Here, you can see a breakdown of how you've spent your time. You can customize these reports by date, range, and projects to get even more insights. And finally, let's quickly look at managing projects from the sidebar menu. Tap on projects here. You can create new projects, assign them to clients, and set hourly rates. This helps you keep your work organized and see how much time you're spending on each project. And there you have it. You're now equipped to track your time effectively with the Clockify app on your iPhone, whether you're at your desk or on the move. Thanks for watching and start tracking.